Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we are going to look at wigs with bangs. I get so many requests from people wanting to see wigs with bangs, and I love them too. So I put together a few here. I'm going to show them to you. We're going to talk about how to tame those bangs. So if you want to see more, just keep watching. Let's start out with one of my favorites. This is Juliet from Push Hair from Wig Studio One. I love so many things about this wig. Of course, it has bangs. This color is Butterbeer Blonde. You know, Wig Studio One worked with Belle Tress and made some wigs in, I think, 10 of Belle Tress' most popular colors. Also, all the wigs I'm going to show you today are from Wig Studio One. But look at Juliet. I have reviewed it before. I have a full review. Now, another thing I want to tell you, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. This is just an overview of some wigs with bangs I thought you might enjoy. If you want to see a full review of any of these wigs, just go to the search bar of my channel and put in the name of the wig and the video will pop up, and there will be details there. Cap construction, color, indoor, outdoor lighting, everything you need to know, fit, all of that is in the full review. I just wanted to show you some fun wigs with bangs. So this is Juliet in Butterbeer Blonde. Now I think we all can agree, this is not a good look on these bangs. This is my Naro Alva, and this color is Sugarcane R. I love this color, but I'm going to show you how to tame these bangs. Alva has been a bestseller. People love it. I do too. It comes in lots of different colors. All you need to tame these bangs is a hot air brush. I've shown you mine a dozen times. This is the one I like. I think this is a 1.5 inch barrel. Don't mind the noise. It makes a lot of noise. Keep this moving. This is synthetic. You can use a hot air brush. I have a video that is just completely showing you how to use hot air brushes on synthetic wigs. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's, like I said, just don't mind this noise. Just keep it moving through the fiber. Now you could pin this back. I'm not going to, but you could. And run it through your bangs, just like that. It works great. I use this on just about every wig I have that has bangs. I want to touch it up when I put it on. I'll just run my hot air brush through it really easily. Sometimes I'll just use it all the way down, kind of smooth it or bump the ends under if I want. Smooth the ends of your wig out. Of course, this works on heat friendly as well, but it's perfect for synthetics. And that is all there is to it. It takes seconds, as you saw, to get your bangs looking their best. This is Ellen Villa Clio. This color is Cherry Red Rooted. Super sleek. I like this. There's no permatease here. Very sleek, blunt bob. Love these blunt ends. Lots of movement, but a very, very low density, sleek style. I usually always use some wig wax on this one. I really enjoy this product. As you know, you probably see me use it on every video. It creates texture. It'll create some movement here. And just kind of separates it to where I like a little more movement in my wigs. I don't want it flat. Even though there is no permatease here, you're not going to get any volume, but you can create some texture by just using a little product. And as you can see, that just gets it away from your face a little. Lots of movement, a really natural look. Okay, another crowd favorite. This is Aesthetica Jones RH1226 RT4. I just very recently did a video of how I made this wig mine. This is my second Jones. I could not get it to work for me the first time around. I tried everything. It just did not look good on me. And that's okay. Not everything is for everyone, right? But it's so popular. It looks so cute on so many people. I bought another one. And then I did a few modifications. If you want to see that, check out my prior video. But now, who knew I love Jones? You know what I like about this, and what I said in my other video, and I'm going to say today, don't try to make this something it's not. This is supposed to be a messy style. This, look at all these choppy layers all through here. This is not a style that's fixed. This is not that. This is fun. This is out the door. This is throw on your wig, run your hands through it, make it just choppy and fun. That's what the vibe of this wig is. And now I know why everybody likes it. But look at this cute, adorable bang. I did modify mine. Again, I told all about it in my other video. So check that out if you're interested. But I see why everybody likes this wig. All right, have you tried this wig? I think most people have. If you like bob wigs, this one is from the Orchid Collection, Scorpio PM. Now this color is Tomato Bisque. Look at this beautiful, vibrant color. I love it. Now this is heavily highlighted. As you can see, it's not for everybody, but not everything's for everybody, but I like it. I think it's almost a fashion color to me in a way because it is just so different. I think that I really like this bold, chunky highlights, and this red to me is so pretty, and it has a beautiful bang on Scorpio PM, and I really want this in a few more colors. Do you like wigs with bangs? If you do, which ones of these are your favorites? And also tell me what are some other ones I might need to try. I'm always on the lookout for a wig with bangs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.